everyone, good morning. Today we're gonna go to Nara Park. I'm gonna show you around.
Nara was the capital city in Japan before 1000 years ago. So Tokyo is only 300 years, but Nara is more. So there's a lot of traditional temples or like
National parks?
national park.
National park many?
Not sure how much. But Nara is not so popular for foreigners because Kyoto is near from Nara. So foreigners choose to go to Kyoto. But today we're gonna take you to Nara. Let's go. Actually, this area is already part of Nara Koen.
Nara Park. But we need to go to the main area. Yeah, the deers are there. We can play with them. We can give food.
Temple and inside.
I expected they would have like horns, but I realized
They have a horn, so it's dangerous, so they have to come.
Just a moment.
Follow.
Just a moment. Okay.
こいつら画面ついたいたいたいたいた。
Taking a little rest. We're gonna go somewhere exciting, which I don't know where.
You're gonna be surprised.
Yeah, and then after, I'm really gonna be surprised.
I hope so.
Come here, I have a little food for you. Oh, I don't have so much left. Where are we gonna go?
Count on me, so I don't wanna tell you.
It's a surprise.
You're gonna be surprised.
Oh. So many people. Wow. What is that? Is this a surprise?
Yes.
This is a surprise.
Almost.
Almost, not yet.
Not yet.
Wow, I was already surprised.
No. Still. From here.
Pretty impressive, huh? How much is it?
$6.
So we need to pay 600. Whoa!
So big, right?
Amazing! You need to see this. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah, so big! Like it's really, really big. It doesn't look big in the video, but it's really big. It's so nice. Thank you.
Oh.
Guys, this temple is so huge. And then around you can see a lot of other temples. I think this is the biggest temple that we've ever been to. We're gonna explore, see what's inside. Wow.
Very big, right?
We just finished our Buddha tour.
You are so big.
Yes, so big. I didn't really know he was gonna take me there. I didn't know about it.
Oh.
I thought we're just gonna go to, feed a deer. And yeah, he's good at surprising me. In Kamakura also, right?
Oh.
That Buddha also took me there in Kamakura. He also surprised me. So this is his second Buddha surprise.
Yeah.
That temple is really, really, really huge. Like even the video cannot justify. It doesn't
I
look.
think so.
Yeah, it doesn't look big in the video, but it's really, really big. Now we are just relaxing in front of this beautiful pond.
It's very, very beautiful.
This is a pond, right? Oh, there's a deer.
We came here to see this one.
Yeah.
The purpose. We just forgot.
Our purpose of coming here was to see
Yeah.
and play and feed the deers, but we were so impressed with the Buddha, with the Buddha temple.
We forgot the purpose. Side.
Kawaii.
Do you guys want to try?
You wanna try?